it's a great pleasure and an honour to be performing my debut of Alfredo here at Welsh National Opera. It has taken a lot of preparation. I've been studying the role really since I was at music college. At National Opera Studio I did a number of scenes from the opera. So yeah, it's been a lifelong, career-long journey really with this role and this opera, and to be able to do it here at the Millennium Centre for Welsh National, it's a great honour, so I'm very happy indeed. Working with John Fisher on the role was fantastic because you know, he has so much experience with this repertoire and this you know, the operatic world. So you know, it was nerve-wracking coming in and singing for him, but I think he was very helpful to me about the role, and gave me some really good advice about how to sing it and how to put it across. So working with him, it was a great opportunity, you know, and you don't get that chance very often, really. I've known David McVicar for nearly 10, 11 years, something like that, and this is my 5th production with David. I started with David at Glyndebourne in a production of La Bohème, his production of La Bohème, singing the role of Rodolfo. Then I went on to do his production of Midsummer Night's Dream, then Così fan tutte, Rosencavalier, where I played the Italian tenor, and now La Traviata. So it's wonderful working with him. I think he's a great director. You know, he really tries to pull out the reality in the piece, and really puts a lot on the singers. You have to really accept certain things, or be willing to try things out that he wants for you to put across in the piece. And you have to open yourself fully to his direction and really throw yourself into it 100%.